I'm so excited to feature you one of the best lot available here. It's beside the Linear Park. As you can see, this is the Linear Park, no? Guys, ang ganda lang nito because this is at Block 9 Lot 10. Again guys, no, may mga special access kasi yung mga ganitong lots dito sa Linear Park natin. And this is at 301 square meters. Guys, if flash ko na lang sa screen yung lot availability natin and location. Ang ganda lang kasi it's a rectangular cut, no? If you can actually build the pahabang bahay dito or depende sa style ng ano nyo, ng house nyo. But guys, this is only at 14.5 million net of discount. If flash ko sa screen yung sample computation, but then again, this is for as low as 17,000 pesos per month. 5 years to pay at 0% interest. You can already own this Block 9 Lot 10 at 301 square meters. Guys, ang ganda lang kasi look, hindi nyo na po need magpatayo ng garden sa house nyo because meron na tayong Linear Park. Again guys, no, if you like this lot, i-reserve nyo lang siya for 70,000 pesos and then after 30 days, you can start paying for as low as 17,000 pesos per month. 5 years to pay at 0% interest. Guys, no, nag-iisang lote lang to na available here. If you're interested, please contact my number below or yung number ko sa taas. Again guys, kunin nyo na to kasi ang ganda nito kasi again, the linear parks are limited and this is considered as prime lot here in this block. So call me if you're interested to this lot.